is how to make a rainbow. What I did, I've always wanted to see a rainbow. I've always seen it once and I want to see it again. So I said to myself, why not make one? Then now started going on YouTube Kids to find out how. And then they said that you need a glass and a bottle and you need a half water. You need paper, so you can put it under the sun, and when the sun shines on it from the back, it will show a rainbow. And when I found out the experiment, I was very happy. But after that, I wanted to make it in class on the lights. But there was one thing though, it didn't make a rainbow. The colors were not there. The color was peach. And that means the light and the sun are not so the same. But the sun, rainbow, and light, peach. Thank you.